Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Arkray PocketChem A1c system. This is IVD certified product. I can just show you this one. This is how the box looks like. You can see it says Arkray PocketChem A1c system. This is on a standard you get one analyzer machine inside, and then you get user manual, barcode scanner, power supply and main leads. This is manufactured in Germany, CE certified product. I'll just show you around the box. You can see the box around. Okay, you got it. Okay, this is Arkray PocketChem A1c system. Okay, let me open this for you. Okay, inside, if you get inside the box, you will find one cover. This is basically a machine cover. Since the POT machine, it's easy to carry for you. You have a machine cover. This is the machine cover, and inside you can see the machine, and there are brochures. Okay, let me take out the brochures. There is one usual manual is there. PocketChem A1c usual manual. So you have the complete instruction to set up and how to use the machine. So you have the complete details. Let me keep this here. Further, if you go inside, there is a power adapter. Power adapter is sealed. Yeah, I can just pull this off. Okay, I think we can take this off 1 second. You can see there is the machine. Okay. I'm just pulling off this power adapter for you to show this. There is a power adapter that is completely sealed. There is one power adapter, and there is one more box inside. And okay, I'm going to open this for you, and then you can see the machine inside. Okay, I'll take the machine outside. Okay, I'm taking out the machine outside. Okay, here you go. Okay, let me keep this carton aside. Okay. So inside you can see, let me put this here, keep it here. This is how the machine looks like. You can see this Arkray. Okay, you can see it says PocketChem A1c. This is how the sample loading. Okay, and then you can see the bottom of the machine. You can see that I'm just holding it in my palm. You can see this. It's very handy. You can see the machine. You can see the back side, power adapters, QC passed. You can see the number. Okay, this is how the machine looks like. Okay, I'll just keep this here. Okay, and then there's one box. This is actually the T8W. Let me open this. See certified. I'm trying to open this. Okay, there is a barcode scanner inside. Okay, T8W. You can see this with the barcode, and you can see this detail. So it says T8W. Okay. The power out. Okay, let me quickly summarize here. If you look at today, we are seeing the unboxing of Arkray PocketChem A1c system, the CE certified product, and this is made in Germany. In this box, you get one machine cover, and one user manual, and there is a barcode scanner and the power adapter for the machine. This is what you get along with this kit. So this is how the total machine looks like. Thank you.